In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a newsletter in GetResponse. Let's start right from the GetResponse dashboard. Once you're logged into your account, look at the very top of the screen for the main navigation bar. There, you'll see an option called Tools. Click on that, and a large mega menu will open. In this menu, under the section called Communicate, choose Email Marketing. This is where you'll manage all of your newsletters and email campaigns. Inside the email marketing section, look for a button or link that says Create Newsletter and click it. A pop-up window will appear, giving you two options. You can either create your email by yourself or use the AI email generator. Both are useful, but in this walkthrough, we'll choose the By Myself option, so you can fully understand the manual process. Now you're inside the newsletter editor. This is where you'll set up the core details of your email. First, give your newsletter a clear internal name. This name is just for you and your team, so choose something descriptive that will make it easy to find later. Next, select your From email address and your Reply to email address. Make sure these are correct and professional, since they're what your subscribers will see when they receive the email. Then, write your subject line. This is one of the most important parts of your newsletter because it affects whether people open your email. Keep it short, relevant, and engaging. Now click Add Recipients. A pop-up will appear where you can choose who should receive this newsletter. You can select one or more lists or segments depending on how your contacts are organized. Once you've made your selection, click Add to confirm. Next, under the Design Content area, click Design Message. You'll see a variety of templates to choose from. Use the tabs at the top if you want to switch between your own templates, blank templates, the HTML editor, or existing messages you've created before. In this example, we'll choose one of the pre-designed templates. Click Use Template, and it will open in the drag and drop editor. Here, customize your newsletter content and design. You can edit text, change images, adjust colors, and rearrange sections so the email matches your brand and message. Take your time to check spacing and readability. When you're happy with everything, click Next at the top right. You'll be taken back to the main newsletter editor. At this stage, you can configure tracking options. You can enable click tracking, revenue attribution, and site visitor behavior, and you can also connect Google Analytics if you use it, so you can measure how your subscribers interact with your newsletter and what actions they take on your website. Then click on the Sharing section. Here you can connect your accounts on platforms like Facebook and X so that your newsletter can be shared or integrated with your social media presence. This is a good way to extend your reach beyond your email list. Finally, decide when you want your newsletter to be sent. You can choose to send it immediately, which is great for time-sensitive content, or you can schedule it for later. If you schedule, set the exact date, time, and the correct time zone, especially if your audience is in different regions. Once everything looks good and you've double-checked your details, go to the bottom right and click Send or Schedule. And that's it. You've created and set up a newsletter in GetResponse, from the initial settings and design all the way to tracking, sharing, and delivery.